Okay guys, in this video we're going to take a look at a heparin drip where you have to figure out the units per hour based on the patient's weight. So let's see what we got. So here we have an order of heparin, 75 units per kilogram per hour. The label on the solution reads 10,000 units per 50 ml. The patient weighs 176 pounds. How fast should the solution run to give the correct dosage? If you guys watched the first example video for heparin drip, it's basically the same thing. Just in this example, we have to figure out the units per hour for this patient based on their weight. So the first thing you want to know is how much the patient weighs in kilos. If the patient weighs 176 pounds, how many kilos is that equal to? If you do not know how to figure this out, watch my video on pounds to kilo conversion and make sure to take the practice questions. If you already watched that video, you should know the formula, so all you need to do is plug in numbers. And we'll go ahead and set that up by taking 176 pounds divided by 2.2, and you come up with the answer of 80 kilos. So now you know that the patient weighs 80 kilos. And we go to set up the order by taking 75 units times 80 kilos per hour equal 6,000 units per hour. So now we know the total units per hour for this patient, so we can go back to the same formula as in example 1. And we'll go ahead and set that up by putting the 6,000 units over 1 hour. Now, since you want to be able to figure out how many mLs it is per hour, you want to be able to cancel the units out. So you go ahead and put the 10,000 units on the bottom, and then you put the 50 mLs on the top. And remember, they can only cancel each other out if they're on the opposite side. Top right, bottom left can only cancel top right. So what we have is 6,000 units over 1 hour equal 50 ml over 10,000 units. And then we go ahead and cancel the units, so we're left over with ml over hours. And then we just multiply. So we multiply the top, we take 6,000 times 50 ml, and we'll come up with 300,000 mLs. Then you multiply the bottom, you take 1 hour times 10,000, and you get 10,000 hours. So what we have now is 300,000 ml over 10,000 hours. Just remember, we want to figure out how many mLs it is in 1 hour. And we get that by dividing it by 10,000. So when you divide the total ml and total hours by 10,000, you get the answer of 30 ml per hour. And that's how you solve a heparin drip when you have to figure out the units per hour by using the patient's weight. Okay guys, that's all for heparin drip. Don't forget to take the quizzes in the quiz section so you'll be fully prepared. Good luck in your exam and see you next time.